meter long and 1 meter width. And I found this species here. So I found the species number 1 as a transect one. I found 5 species, 5 colonies of this species, and so on for another species on this transect. And then I did replicate 1 and 2 and 3, the same like for benthic. And also I did the total of this here. So now I need just as average, and as we mentioned there, the average is equal average this function of this, just it like this, and drop all down and just make it total. So we should have 10 Okay, yes, we have here, that's correct. We have here total number. Yeah, this is the average of this one. So here percentage, so we have here equal this divided by 10, and percentage, and this, okay, and here this is should be total 100%, okay? So here we have species 1 more dominated, right? It's so clear here. Okay, here I need to calculate the abundance. So the abundance, it's the portion of each species, which is this one, okay? This one is a portion of species 1 over the total, over the 10, okay? So what I'm doing here, I do equal this cell divided by 10. Okay, and I drag all, and here I do this, and this should equal 1. Should at all the time equal 1. The total of the abundance of all the area should equal 1. If it's less or above 1, that means you have a mistake in your calculation. Okay, so now we got the abundance. So the abundance is a portion of this species from the total individuals number of all species. Okay, so here I can also calculate for each transect, but since we did average because it's triplicate, so we got here, and it's very clear that species 1 more abundant than the other species, and the species 5 come in second row, and then the other 3 species is same value. And here to calculate the diversity, which is, as we mentioned, Shannon winner parameter, diversity parameter, which is H, as we mentioned there, which is here. We should do this calculation. We should take this. This is, we will call it PI, okay, which is abundance. We will get the len of BI, okay, and then we divide, we multiply len BI with BI, okay. So let's get the len first. So we equal len. It's very easy here in Excel. Actually, we used to do this manually, and it was so much hassles, big numbers, and a lot of mistakes. But Excel's make it easy. So I'm just like doing like this here, and this is the len, and I drag down all. I don't have to do total here, but here I will equal, okay, so I want to multiply this by this. So by BI multiply by len BI, okay, so I'm doing like this, and drag down, down, down all, and here I need to make a total. Okay, so I have the total here, and here, if you see this cell, which is Shannon winner diversity, so here it's equal this one, this value that we collected, okay, multiply minus 1 to make it positive. Okay, we do this to make it positive. So now we have here, it's 1.5. This is the diversity of this area that we collected the information. This is the diversity, the Shannon-Winner diversity for all of this area. And if it's less than 1, that means it's a low diversity. Okay? If it's between 1 and 3, that means it's a medium diversity.
Sorry, you wrote more than 1. It should be less than 1, right?
Yes, you're right. And here, I don't know, it's automatically corrected. So between 1 and 3. Okay, so between 1 and 3, that means medium, and between and above 3, that means high diversity. Okay,